So the assembly for these, directions for these, the frame basically bolts up to here. Then you're going to use the 10mm bolts that are provided. It's gonna be washer, lock nut, and then the 10mm bolt, which is going to go through here, go through the frame, the square frame, and into here. That's going to be the first step you're going to do, and then you're going to attach everything else to the frame, such as the front axle, rear axle, and all that stuff. So we're starting to finish up the install of the axle kit, wagon axle kit for the Generac iQ3500. So the bolt directly into the frame of the generator. The full assembly. This is where your rear axle is going to go. Rear axle just slides on like that. Washers and then lock nuts. The front axle assembly, washer, then nylon nuts. The front fork itself. There's a bolt that goes through right there. Washer or lock nuts. Front yoke assembly. Washer through the yoke, line up the holes through, nylon nut on the outside. Hasn't been tightened up yet. Same thing here. So the wheels are just going to slide on like that. Then it will get a washer on the outside, and then it will get a cotter pin that slides through. Just like that. And then you're gonna basically open these up. That. You're gonna do that to all four wheels, and then you can flip it over.